Hey guys, Lawton here with Verified Investing, back with another Blofin video. So a lot of people are kind of wary about crypto because it could be extremely volatile, and that's true. But what if I told you that Blofin provides the optimal opportunity to see how you would do on a simulated account, all for free? So let's check out my screen. So on your Blofin account, you can go here to futures and click on demo trading. Right here, you could trade on a simulated account. This is an account where they give you $50,000 and you can trade like you normally would. Of course, those $50,000 are not withdrawable. Same thing with your profits. But there's even a leaderboard, and they have demo trading competitions where you can actually get real money. But for people like me, when I first started looking at crypto, I wish I had this opportunity. This demo trading allows me to trade something. So let's go down here and let's say with hat, right? Taking a look at this chart, I think it favors the move to the downside. So let's say, and I'm using my simulated account, I want to put $10,000 into this trade. And then a simulated account with 3x leverage. So let's see how I would have done. Additionally, I can add, let me make sure I get filled first. Yep, I can add my stop loss and my take profit levels in the same way that I would while using a live account. Again, guys, this is the perfect opportunity for those of you who have never traded crypto before and explore it for free with no risk to you. Thank you again to Blofin for sponsoring this segment.